How's it going, everyone? Today I'm making a real treat. Pepper-crusted tuna steak with wasabi cream sauce. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to add 2 tablespoons of black peppercorn and 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds and half a teaspoon of salt. And what we're going to do is we're going to grind all these up till they become a fine powder. And that's what we want. Okay, so as you see, we've spread out our pulverized pepper and sesame seed / salt, and we got our tuna, and we're just gonna place that in there and rub it into the mixture. And then we'll just set this aside and we'll get started on our wasabi cream sauce. The wasabi cream sauce, we're going to start with 1 tablespoon of wasabi powder. And to that we're going to add 2 tablespoons of water. And we're just going to whisk that together. And once nice and smooth, we're just going to set it aside for 5 minutes and come back to it. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes. Now we're going to add the following to our wasabi paste. We're going to add 2 teaspoons of rice vinegar, half a teaspoon of soy sauce, and 1 cup of heavy cream. Just gonna whisk that all together. Okay, so now we're just gonna cook our sauce over medium heat and just let it simmer. Okay, so the sauce is cooking. To a pan, we're gonna work on our tuna. So I'm adding some olive oil over medium high heat. And then we add our tuna. We flip after 1.5 minutes. Okay, so we've seared our tuna and taken it off the heat. Now to add our wasabi sauce. Just gonna drizzle it over it. And there we have it, pepper-crusted tuna with wasabi sauce. I hope you give this recipe a try, and I'll see you next time.